Hello. Okay, parents. This is a really exciting game that we play in our class, and we did it in our group. So most of all of my children have played this game, but it's a great reading game, and kids have so much fun. So I'm going to show you a little bit about how this game works. So this is the jeu de loup, and everyone has a little pig that they can play with. And we have the brick house, the wood house, and the straw house. And then what happens is this, is there are three colors: orange, yellow, and then pink. And today this week we're releasing orange. And what they have to do is there will be a card and you'll see a little video with the card. And so the video will show you how to go la, me, o, po, and then down. And then it will show you to pass the card. You have to read it. La, mi, po, se, mu, ya, ap, il, us, er. Okay, and you have to read it like that. And each time they pass a level, they can put a stamp down. And then once they pass syllables, they can move their little pig on the board. So I'm going to show you what that card looks like. Just 1 second. Oh, I'm trying to pause this. Let's see. Oops, no, I'm trying to. Okay, oh, actually, I'll show you online. Okay. So this is where they choose their pig, and then this paper right here, this is the front of the sheet, and then this is the middle of the sheet. And in your packages that I brought out, that I passed out with the flat teacher and everything, here's the series, and it's the syllables, words, and phrases. So each time they pass a syllable orange, they put a check right there. Each time the words orange and the phrase orange. And then they would be able to move their little pig along this path. So they move it 1, 2, 3 times. And at the very end of level orange, after the last sentence is read, they go here. And so they would have the top of this card, 1, 2, 3 filled out, and they would have stamps on each one. Each time they pass a syllable, stamp, 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 stamp. All the way, this whole orange section would be filled. And then the week after we'll release yellow, and then the week after we'll release the pink. So I hope that makes sense. As you can see, you can print out these cards if you don't want them on the screen the whole time. You can print out these cards. These are just syllables. They're not words. They don't make any sense. They're just practicing, sorry, learning French syllables. So there's always a game board that they can go click on next. And then there's also the video reading the card, okay? And then it goes to words. So these are the words, all the words. And then to help them out, some of these words, I've put a picture, and they do go in order. So this would be une rime, this is mille, la malle. Sorry, that one isn't, oh, il ira. There might be that picture might not be right there. Okay, oh, la lime. Okay, it should go in order. But I see that's out of order. Okay, sorry, we will switch that. Look at that. Mel, il ira, that's a le silo, and that is la lime. Okay, so they are in order of what la plume, il allume. Leia is just a girl, so, and then Sally, it's getting dirty. Sur, la pile. All those go in order with what they are. If the kids can search up for what they mean, what they are, sometimes that helps them retain the meaning. But if not, there are pictures there, and each for all 10 cards. And there's also my mom reading the card for everyone. And I am going to try to figure out how to link all the videos on YouTube so that if your kids do continue watching, they watch all these cards. And then after they've done the words, they go back to the game board and move their little pig, and then becomes the phrases or the sentences. And how it works is the syllables prepare them for the words, and the words prepare them for the sentences. So as they build in confidence, this should be a really, by the time they get to, as they build in confidence, they are prepared for the next level. And this, by the time they get to the sentences, they should just go really quickly in these. And then, yeah, that's the je de lu. You can print any of these pages, or if you watch it in the slideshow view, that helps the videos be able to play. If you're not in slideshow view, you just come up to the top and you can go to view and, oh, sorry, you can go to slideshow and you can play from the beginning, and then it will make everything, and you just use your arrow keys to move over. And then you, those are, okay, and then you can play the video right from there. So amazing. Who knew when I signed up to be a teacher 20 years ago that I would also be a vlogger? Anyway, if you have any questions, please contact me via Teams. That would be the best, or email, but Teams and Dojo are probably your best bet. Thanks so much, and I'm going to figure out how to stop this.